Hey, picture this. You're kicking back in your backyard with a steaming cup of afternoon tea, the view just melting your stress away. Pure bliss, right? Then evening rolls in, prime time to hang out with the family, chat, laugh, maybe roast a few marshmallows. But wait, if your backyard is pitch black, that cozy vibe instantly flips to straight up spooky. Nobody wants a horror movie night when they're just trying to chill. The fix? Some smart backyard lighting. And guess what? No need to drop a fortune. I've rounded up 10 super cheap DIY lighting ideas that'll light up your space and level it up from meh to whoa, this is gorgeous. Oh, and real quick, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our upcoming videos. Number 10, Tin Can Lanterns project idea. Want to save the planet and create gorgeous lighting? Let's upcycle some trash into treasure. Seriously, you won't believe how those old tin cans can transform into romantic lanterns for your backyard. Here's your shopping list. Unused tin cans, hammer, nail, baling wire, pliers, mini LED candles, and spray paint. Now here's the fun part. Strip those labels off and fill your cans with water, then freeze them solid. Why? This keeps them from getting crushed. Once they're frozen, pound a hole near the top, flip it over, and add another for your handle. Get creative and draw whatever patterns make you happy, then hammer away to create your design. Let the ice melt out, flatten any weird bumps on the bottom, attach your wire handle, spray paint everything, and pop in those LED candles. Done! Number 9. Ice lanterns for winter project idea. Don't let winter chase you indoors. These magical ice lanterns will turn your backyard into the ultimate winter wonderland for parties or just chilling outside. Grab a 2-liter soda bottle and a 24-ounce seltzer bottle, then chop off their tops. Pour about 1.5 inches of water into the big bottle and freeze it. Place your smaller bottle dead center and tape it down. Now for the artistic part. Arrange greens and cranberries around that inner bottle. Fill with water and freeze again. The tricky bit? You'll need to run hot water inside the small bottle to remove it without destroying your masterpiece. Pull out both bottles, drop in a battery-powered candle, and let Mother Nature keep everything frozen solid. 8. Plastic spoon lamps project idea. Ready for another mind-blowing upcycling hack? You're gonna love this one. Those disposable plastic spoons from your last picnic can become an absolutely stunning pendant light for your garden. Here's what you'll do. Grab a bunch of plastic spoons, snip off the handles, and start gluing those bowl parts onto a large plastic bottle or globe lamp. Keep layering them like scales until you've covered every inch of that surface. Pop an LED bulb inside, and boom! You've got yourself a gorgeous lampshade that'll have your neighbors asking where you bought it. 7. Wastebasket Pendant Light project idea. Looking for the ultimate lazy but impressive project? This Wastebasket Pendant Light is calling your name. Seriously, it doesn't get easier than this. Grab those wire cutters and make a hole in the bottom of a wire wastebasket, just big enough for your light socket to squeeze through. Thread the socket through, screw in your bulb, hang it up in your backyard, and you're officially done. We're talking maybe 15 minutes of work, tops. 6. Mason jar lantern project idea. Let's talk about mason jars, your wallet's best friend when it comes to backyard decor. These babies are total chameleons, and turning them into lanterns is ridiculously simple. Grab some dried pinto beans, pour them into your jars, and nestle your candles right on top. Use some raffia or rope to hang them from your patio cover, and you're set. Told you it was easy. 5. Tuna Can Lantern project idea. Want to go classic? This vintage-inspired lantern gives you that old-school charm with a modern twist, and it's made from stuff you probably have lying around. You'll need a tuna can, a hurricane glass, a wooden stick, and a 3/4-inch copper adapter. Drill a hole in your stick's top, then another in the center of your tuna can. Screw everything together with the copper adapter, stake it in the ground, give it a fresh coat of paint, and once it's dry, add your candle and hurricane glass. Instant backyard ambiance. 4. Party Cup LED Lights Garland project idea. Hold up, before you toss those party cups in the trash, we've got plans for them. The party might be over, but your DIY fun is just getting started. Poke a small hole in the bottom of each cup and thread LED string lights through them. Feel like getting fancy? Decorate those cups however you want. Flip the switch and watch as your leftover party supplies transform into the coolest light garland ever. Now that's what we call a party that keeps on giving. 3. Garden lights from glass bottles and string lights project idea. Got a collection of empty bottles hanging around? Let's put them to work. This has got to be one of the easiest projects ever. Seriously, a toddler could probably pull this off. Clean those bottles until they're sparkling, stuff some string lights inside, and here's where you get to choose your own adventure. Want ground lights? Grab some bamboo stakes and plant those bottles right in your garden. More of a hanging lights person? Wrap some wire around the necks and suspend them from tree branches. Either way, you're winning. Number 2. Garden globe light project idea. Check this out. A tiny solar light that punches way above its weight class. This beautiful globe light looks expensive but costs practically nothing. Here's your game plan. Take a round candle vase and start gluing marbles all over it until you can't see any glass underneath. Find the perfect spot in your yard, push your solar light stake into the ground, and crown it with your sparkly marble globe. That's literally it. The sun does all the work from there. Before we wrap up our countdown, remember that every like, share, and comment helps us reach a wider audience. If you've watched this far, you know what to do. If the new voice kept you tuned in, give the video some hype to help it reach new heights. But if that feels like too much, just know you've done great by spending your valuable time here. With that, let's close our countdown with Number 1. Twinkle Little Stars project idea. Who says stars only belong in the sky? You're about to bring them down to Earth, right into your backyard. And nope, we're not talking about actual stars, but these DIY ones might just be more magical. The best part? Zero sweating required. Grab some foil paper, regular paper, or go fancy with glitter paper, then punch out as many star shapes as your heart desires. Make a tiny hole dead center in each star and thread those string light bulbs right through them. Boom! Instant dreamy backyard vibes. Oh, and by the way, at the SimFoam channel, you'll discover a range of lists that you won't find anywhere else. For example, we offer insights like 10 small bedroom ideas with big beds, 10 interior design tips to improve your sleep quality, and 10 creative DIY projects to revamp your shoe storage, among many others. Each list is compiled through extensive research and careful writing, with relevant sources included to enhance your learning experience. So, what are you waiting for? If you have some free time and internet access, follow the link in the description to fully explore what SimFoam has to offer. That's it for now. Before you go, please like this video if you enjoyed it. Feel free to comment or share it with your friends on social media or via email. Lastly, we look forward to seeing you again soon with more videos like this. Until then, thanks for watching.